is this going to be a big week for real estate agents. I couldn't be more excited about this. I want to tell you about what's going on. If you're a real estate agent, this is something that's going to excite you tremendously. Many of you know I've been coaching realtors for a long, long time. I've sold real estate, became one of the top realtors in the country, have built and sold several brokerages, and now coaching 30,000 realtors around the country. But there's always been one secret sales letter that's worked very, very well. It's what we call an evergreen sales letter, meaning it works in all markets, it works in all economies, when the market's going up, when the market's going down, that type of thing. The reason I'm excited about this is a lot of our platinum level members, these are agents that are doing, many of them doing over 150 transactions a year. This is one of the cornerstones of their business they've used for a long, long period of time. This week, I'm actually doing a full-blown training class for all of our members with Greg Luther Inner Circle to give you the sales letter, to show you how to utilize it, to show you why it makes you stand out and get you so many appointments. We've actually got a couple of agents that this is the only program they use. They have one sales letter they send out to specific people, and it gets them 3 or 4 appointments every single week. Not everybody gets 3 or 4. You might only get 1 or 2, but it is consistent every single week. So I've been preparing for this upcoming call. Many of you know I was in Ohio this weekend. I woke up in Ohio at 5 o'clock this morning. I look like the very beginning of a rags to riches story right now. This looks like chapter 1. This is the rags. I said, holy crap, I got to fix my eye, screw it. But anyway, I'm back in Florida now, and we are preparing for Thursday's call. This is specifically for our Inner Circle coaching members, and I'm going to walk you through why the sales letter works, exactly how to present it, exactly how to get things submitted to us so that you can generate a lot of listings and a lot of buyers for yourself using literally one piece of paper. Now, the key is there's going to be an expense for this. Here's the expense. You're going to need a roll of stamps, because you're going to send a bunch of these things out. So there's 100 of them on a roll. It costs you about 50 bucks. That's how much money you need in order to make that work. So the call is going to be, as always, for our Inner Circle members, it's going to be this coming Thursday. If you're not an Inner Circle member, right now is a damn good time to get joined up, or else you're going to miss out on this thing. What you can do, watch a quick training for yourself right now at getfastclosings.com. You'll probably see a link in the description here somewhere, getfastclosings.com. But this Thursday, I'm actually going to be giving everyone the actual sales letter that's worked for years and years. I may even have an agent or two that we interview on the call. Haven't asked them yet, so I don't want to commit to that. But I am going to be asking them, hey, are you okay with going on camera or at least audio? Like, tell us how well this has worked for you and some of the tricks of the trade, because it's getting you so many appointments. How do you get those things listed, and how do you pick them up as buyers as well? So I'll be walking you through the whole process. It won't be a 5-minute video. It's going to be a full-blown coaching call on every single thing you'll need, and we'll even get all your questions answered. As you know, as an Inner Circle member, you get to answer or ask your questions live. We answer them live on that call. So that's coming up in just a couple of days. Those that are members as of that date, you will get it. No guarantee afterwards. And this, very important, I should have started with this. This is a copyrighted sales letter. I do have this copyright protected because we've used it for so long and it works so well. You can only use it if you are an Inner Circle member. So much like all of our limited license agreement, there's a lot of proprietary information. You can use it for profit all you want as long as you're a member with us. If not, we got to go after you so that we can protect our members, right? So some of these agents are like, hey, even if I do 50 deals, and another agent does 50, and another agent does 50 in my own marketplace, we aren't even really hitting the market, so that's fine. But I don't want 100 real estate agents doing this, right? 3, 4, 5 in any given market is totally fine, but you got to start thinking about, we don't want to hit that diminishing returns. So anyway, that's coming up here this week. I'm preparing for it now. Any questions you have, as always, you can send me a direct message here. But what I would encourage you to do, a couple of things here. Grab some note paper, by the way, so that you don't miss any of this. Number one, I want you to watch getfastclosings.com. Getfastclosings.com. You'll want to watch that. It's about a 40-minute training that will help you tremendously, and there will be an offer there for you to join up with Greg Luther Inner Circle. So that's how you'll join up. I also want you, if this kind of stuff is helpful, if you like seeing marketing approaches that are working really well for you, make sure you like this video, follow our Facebook page, and turn on notifications. That's the most important thing. Many of you know I try to respond to all of the comments here. I love seeing everybody's comments. Christina said I must have got some sun. Yeah, we were racing horses, so I've got some pretty bad sunburn going on right now. The county fair season has started. There's nothing better than watching the horses that you own race out on the racetrack while you're eating a funnel cake and drinking a huge sugary lemonade. Right? I'm probably going to gain weight at the county fairs. Everything there is fried. You can even get broccoli to be healthy, but it's fried broccoli. But anyway, yeah, so lots of sun this weekend, and we are back at it. So this coming event is coming up in just a couple of days. Check out getfastclosings.com. All of you are going to get a copy of this. If you're an Inner Circle member, you're going to get it. You're going to get to use it. I'm going to walk you through the process and help you along the way. We're getting ready to get you a whole bunch of closings. So any questions you have, shoot me a direct message. Otherwise, we'll plan on talking to you soon. And I'll be sending out some notices here for everybody that is going to be joining up on the call. I'll send you your direct link. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.